Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Rheem Tankless water heater is showing code 11, it's indicating an ignition failure, meaning the system tried to light the burner but couldn't establish a flame. This can instantly stop hot water production and leave you wondering what went wrong. The important thing to understand is that this code doesn't always mean a major breakdown. It's often triggered by interruptions in gas flow, ignition issues, or simple maintenance-related problems. Since the heater depends on precise ignition timing and proper fuel supply, even a small disruption can prevent it from firing up. The system then shuts down as a safety precaution. Instead of panicking, you can usually resolve this issue by carefully checking a few key components. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to fix Rheem error code 1 step by step, and try these. Step 1. Ensure the gas supply valve is fully open and supplying fuel. Step 2. Turn off the heater and disconnect power completely. Step 3. Wait briefly to clear the system error and reset ignition. Step 4. Check and clean the ignition and burner area if needed. Step 5. Confirm proper airflow and venting are not blocked. Step 6. Restore power and test the unit to verify ignition works.